Hey guys, in this Lens Studio tutorial, I want to show you how you can attach a 2D image to your face. So let's start. Hey again, so let's attach an image to our face here in Lens Studio. The first thing we have to do is to import the image we want to use. For this, just drag and drop the image into the assets browser of your Lens Studio project. After the import is done, you can find it in the asset browser and can already preview it. The next step is to set up our scene here in this project. For this, we go to the left hand side and go to the scene hierarchy, and here we click on plus. Here we search for head binding. After we have inserted the head binding, we can create another object. For this, go again to the plus and here search for image. This should be the image with the blue icon next to it. So just also insert this, and when you have selected the head binding before, it is already in the head binding. If it is outside of it, just drag and drop it into the head binding. So now here, when you select the head binding in your scene, you can go to the right hand side to the inspector, and here you can set the attachment point type of this. At the moment it is at the head center, but I wanted to have it on the forehead. So then it already sets it to the right position. And now when we go to the scene hierarchy again and select our image, we can go to the right hand side, and here we can change the texture. And here just select the image you have imported and hit OK. And now you can already see the image is attached to your face, but yeah, you have to scale it maybe. So for this, go up to the transform properties of the image and here activate the chain, and here you can just scale it down to, let's say here 25, but yeah, this depends on the size of your image, and here you can fine-tune it. So also you can change here the position, so I want it a little bit more up, and yeah, now this looks nice. So this is all the magic about how you can attach an image to your face here in Lens Studio. I hope this tutorial was helpful for you. If yes, give it a thumbs up, and if you're new on this channel and you don't want to miss my next tutorials, make sure you subscribe to it. So thanks for watching and see you. Bye!